Well, good morning. Today I'm going to go do the Don Pond ride, and I hope that there are more people today than there were last time I did it. Single digits last time. I've never actually seen that before. Today's overcast. I mean, it's not rainy at all, and that bridge way out there, that's the bridge that we climb up to go. So that's where I got to go right now. So let's go see how many people come on this ride. I like to go into turns tighter than I need to because I know that roadies often panic and they'll slam on the brakes on public streets, open streets when going into an intersection. So here I am clear of that turn. And here's a Ducati. What do I make of this? He's not going passing speed. So I'm looking behind me, wondering what's behind me. I'm thinking, I wonder if I should partake. And I got somebody pulling, so that's kind of cool. And there he is. Drafting a Ducati, though, honestly, it's kind of like trying to grab onto the McLaren. These bikes have massive torque, and drafting on them is a little bit sketchy. But here he is, mid-pack. He's just chilling. He's not trying to pass the pack, and he's not squirrely. He's obviously an experienced rider, especially because this pack is very resistant to people who pose a threat to it, and nobody's, you know, giving him shit. So holding steady, you know. Torque of this bike, though, I mean, it's not optimal bike to draft, but here we go. So I mean, this is a pretty big surface area. I mean, I'm right up on him. Wide wheels, motorcycle, it's kind of nice. So we're starting to make some headway here. And starting to make some progress. Still a little unsure because of the torque, the situation, but this is pretty cool. And he's checking, you know, he's like me, just head is on a swivel. He's checking all around him, make sure the situation is cool. And oh, hell yeah. So that means green light, yeah. Get as close as you want, or as long as you want, as long as you can, as you'll see. Fuck yeah! Morning, ladies! Well, there's a lot more people today than there were yesterday. I can't emphasize enough, ride whenever. So, I mean, if the weather's shit, that's even more reason to ride. But that was very impromptu. I mean, that was a bigger ride than I thought it would be. Engaging in the ride was really fun. And then, you know, I like the bigger rides because they have the speeds where you can interact with traffic. That's the thing. I mean, to catch wolves, you need wolves, and to catch the speeds that traffic is going, you need guys like that in the pack to be going as fast as we were this morning. And traffic meshes better with larger packs. As you saw, very symbiotic, us and the cars. So it's pretty cool. Anyway, that's about it, man. And yeah, freaking seize the day, live fast, ride fast, and yeah, die last. Fuck yeah!